Welcome back, family.
Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good.
Jumping right into this install, you guys. We are doing a color. We're going for a burgundy, more like for Thanksgiving, fall. You get what I'm saying? We're trying to get out of the little ginger, you know, that's common. So your girl wanted to do a burgundy for Thanksgiving. So your girl was going with a magenta. We went with a violet, a red violet, and we also went with an intense red. You feel what I'm saying? You already know, we got this wig from Amazon. It's nothing new. Amazon finds, you feel what I'm saying? 30-inch Mediva hair, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Wet and wavy, 180% density. Baby, it comes with 2 straps in the back, 4 combs, and it comes with a wig cap. Yes, ma'am. So as you see in this video, you guys, we're going in with the intense red, and we're trying to get this burgundy achieved as much as possible because it's really hard to get a burgundy out of watercolor. You feel what I'm saying? Unless you're actually dyeing it to the head. So you guys, I didn't want to do all that. So you guys, being lazy, your girl went in and tried to find a watercolor for the burgundy. So as you see, we're dipping the hair. You already know, you guys, we washed it with the shimmer lights to get all the yellow temptations out so the wig could be one solid color. For some reason, the ends of this wig did not take as much as I thought it would. I really feel like they were over processed, just like any other wig when it's coming with a blonde. You know, you're trying to get it to a perfect blonde, you get over processed, and that's pretty much what it did. But you guys, as you see, we are working this color in. Stay tuned as we try to achieve it as best as possible. You feel what I'm saying? If you have not done so yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You already know what we do over here. Fashion, makeup, fashion, wigs, all of them, girl. Get in.
My heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cool without you. I'm hurting my way. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no.
Your brush is your best friend when it comes to dyeing a wig. Make sure you have a brush, any type of brush. It really matters to me. Get a white girl brush, not to, you know, for anybody that's, you know, white, baby. You get a white girl brush. You feel what I'm saying? It works better in getting in between the wig. You feel what I'm saying? It's going to make sure that every color is in between each strand of that wig. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're working it in. Get you a whisk also. I said also. Get you a whisk also. Baby, it helps blend that water when it comes to dyeing them wigs so you won't have no chunks in your color. Do you understand what your girl is saying? Get with the program, y'all. Keep on watching and watch me achieve this burgundy. Pinkish. Baby, I got fuchsia when I got this color. Baby, we had so many different names when it came to this wig color. I couldn't even tell y'all. But baby, it was a beautiful color. You feel what I'm saying? Beautiful. And as you see, I'm making sure I'm getting every inch of this wig. I'm spreading it apart like you spread your booty cheeks when you wipe your ass. Spread that wig apart and get in between, baby. Get in between.
I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you. And I'm mad because I love you.
This is my favorite part, y'all. We did the bald head method already. If you want to see the bald head method on camera, go ahead and drop it in the comments and let your girl know if you want to see how I achieve my bald head. You feel what I'm saying? Other than that, baby, we hopping right into this install. We finna lay this wig and make sure that lace is melted into the scalp. Because, baby, I'm tired of these people always talking about, is that your hair? Do it look like my hair? I bought it. Okay, don't ask me that again before baby, because you know people are always got a question about, is that your hair? Baby, is it your mama hair? Did your mom? Don't play with me. Play with your mama. Don't play with me. Sometimes my wig cap always comes down a little further than I'm supposed to, or that is supposed to. As you can see, I still have a little bit of flap on my ear where it's not supposed to be. I'm going to cut those off because when it comes down to melting that lace, it's going to interfere into melting and cutting that lace off. I have had many problems with that issue, so I wanted to make sure I cut it off before I even get started with laying that glue down because, baby, that is a headache when it comes to cutting your lace. It's going to mess it up. Make sure you cut off anything that's not supposed to be there with that ball cap. Keep on watching and watch how I achieve. You guys, we are going in with seven layers of glue. This is still fall, baby. It's still hot outside. Don't take a chance. You might slide back like you sliding back, but yeah, don't slide back. Get with the program, y'all.
You've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
Yeah, baby, don't play with her. You see how them 7 layers of glue looking? I bet you thought you was gonna see white. Y'all already know what we doing. We making sure that the wig is laying down where we want it, and we making sure that that glue is sinking into that lace and making sure it's gonna melt the way it's supposed to melt when we get ready to cut it. You hear me? You hear you? After making sure we melted that lace into that edge, baby, we going in with that wig band, and we're going to make sure that we lay it down for at least an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, or 15 minutes to 30, or 30 minutes to an hour, just to make sure when you get ready to cut, it's going to glide you right across your edge line. Do you hear you? Do you hear you, baby? It's going to glide you around your edge line. It's no need to mess up. It's no way you can mess up. Keep on watching this video, y'all. Y'all have not done so yet. Go and give your girl a thumbs up. It helps me to make more videos for you guys. You know, fashion, makeup, whatever you want, drop it in the comments and your girl will deliver. I'm here for you, not for me, period. Keep on watching while we slay this burgundy. You hear you?
Where the money spent, keep her old stick on me vet. Keep my new chasing on me wet. Pad on my neck, arm, leg. Had to make it easy so you get it. I'ma make it hard for the next. Niggas glitching, I can't send a text. More bus made a killing out of my head.
Now, that wasn't a phenomenal cut and an easy cut. I don't know what to tell you. But, y'all, we finna go in with the Dola hair that we had got off of TikTok, baby. This is their melting into the lace spray, whatever juice, whatever you want to call it. And, baby, when I say Dola hair products is really giving, baby. When I say that wig is stuck and that waterproof is waterproofing, and when she say she heat resistant, baby, I am all in one with her. Baby, this is my third time. Well, this is my actual first time using her. But, baby, I have used her on multiple wigs since this burgundy wig. And when I say, baby, she has done her job. She came, she signed in, and she clocked out when she was supposed to. She did that. Baby, Dola hair is one of the best glues I have used so far. Ghost Bond, no. Bold Hold, baby, hell to the no. I know they say Bold Hold is the no. Bold Hold did not get the job done, baby. She slid your girl back. You feel what I'm saying? Bold Hold had a meeting with somebody because she wasn't trying to be there. But, baby, Dola hair gets you to your meeting. It gets you to your appointment. It gets you where you supposed to be, and it stays. She stay in contact. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Watch me slay these baby hairs. Because you already know these baby hairs ain't your best friend. These are your growth sisters. Baby, don't make people that is not your friend your friend. You know what I'm saying? Some people are meant to be an enemy, period. And I slayed them with, baby, ooh, chef's kiss. So this is pretty much explanatory. We are just styling to get into our liking, you guys. And I enjoyed y'all, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching this video. You already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because, baby, we are dropping gems back to back this month. Y'all go ahead and follow your girl, and I love y'all. And I will see you in my next banger.